Hi guys, this is Alex with Yas Chef, and we're gonna make a restaurant quality steak at home. Today we're making bacon wrapped filet mignon, and we're gonna start off with our marinade to tenderize. You wanna zest and juice an entire lemon. Then you'll wanna grab your favorite IPA and throw in a few splashes of that, as well as a few pinches of your favorite spice blend. I like using Montreal steak seasoning, but salt and pepper works as well. You'll marinate the fillets for a couple of hours in the fridge. Then you'll go ahead and wrap your fillets in bacon, securing with toothpicks. Room temp bacon always works best for this. You'll want to melt some butter in a cast iron pan with some rosemary and thyme and sear your steaks. Once you sear your steaks, then you can go ahead and place them in a preheated 400-degree oven for 15 minutes to finish cooking. Then you're ready to plate. I got my steaks from onthefly.com. You can get yours there too. And follow Cisco Foodie for more recipes. Thanks for watching.